Hi, kids! Today, we are going to learn about the days of the week. Are you ready? Let's go! Monday. Monday is the start of the week. Say Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday is terrific. Can you say Tuesday? Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Say Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday is a great day to learn something new. Let's say Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday is fun. Say Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday is the day to relax and play. Let's say Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday is a happy day. All together, let's say Sunday. Sunday. Well done, kids! Now let's say the days of the week together. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.